Hey guys, we're gonna get started with 10 minutes of heart pumping dance cardio. So go ahead and bring your feet wider than your hips, engage your core, roll the shoulders up and back, up and back. Just start to get that body moving and warm to take on this 10-minute cardio burst. Keep it going, 4 more here. 3, good, you got 2. We're gonna add a circle through the arms, reaching up and back. Opening up the chest here, warming up the shoulder blades. Stay here, just 4. You got it, 3. Good, you got 2. On 1, let's rock those hips side to side, take it right to left. You can add a little hop if that feels good. Starting to elevate our heart rate, whatever you need to do. Listen to your body today. Good, keep the hips, little reach up through the arms. Then down. Good, reach up and down. Do it 2 more times. Big reach and push. Last time here. Woo. Good, feet go wide. Turn those toes out, pulse it down. Inner and outer thighs here. Heavy tailbone to the ground. Yes, stay low. We're here for 8. For 6, just warming up that low body now. We're gonna head over to the right side. Find a pulse in the lunge here. Core is tight, shoulders are over our hips. Keep your breath. Stay low for 8 more. You got 6. We're gonna elevate that heart rate. Reach both arms forward. Hinge forward, pull the knee in. Deep bend in your front knee. Exhale. You got it. 8 more times. Woo! 6. You got it. 4, 3. We're gonna go back to that pulse. Just stay here. Pulse, pulse. That's it, y'all. Now come to center, stay low for 8. We're gonna head into side 2. In for 3, stay low. Just find that pulse in the lunge. Whew. Stay low, stay grounded. Square your hips. Breathe. We have 8, 6. You got it. In 4, reach those arms forward. That back knee drives in. Crunch, crunch. Exhale, exhale. Stay grounded. 8 more. We have 4, 3, back to the pulse. Finger lunge. Keep your breath. So good. Come back to center. Final push right here. In that low body. We've got 4 more. And then we're gonna flush all that workout. Sink it down, up. Woo! Feel your breath. Feel that heart beating. You got it, y'all. We got 2 more. On 1, step, touch, right, left. Reach, reach. Finding a little movement side to side here. Give me 8 more. 6, 4, 3, 2. We're gonna add on. We reach, take a grapevine to the right. Do it again, left side. Grapevine. Yes, reach. Taking up more space here. Woo. Keep that going. Step touch. Grapevine. Step touch. Grapevine. Give me 1 more each way. Woo. Last time. Good, big push, we slide. Right, cut it back, left, cut it back, push, cut. You got it. 4 more, 3 more, 2. We add on. Right here, you're gonna slide to the right, to the left, then we're gonna clap it up 4 times, just like that. Slide, right, cut, left, cut, and clap, 4. So good. Push and swim. Clap it up for 4. Do that 1 more time. Good. Push and push. Clap it up. 4, 3. Take a breath. Shoulders roll. Back and back. Good. Breathe into it. Now take a full circle through those arms. Good. Last 2. Last one, rock your hips, side to side. just like we started. Shake out that booty. We're halfway through today's 10-minute burst. So grab a sip of water if you need it. We're gonna change up that movement a little bit. Keep your feet wide. Little bend in your knees. Core is engaged. We have 2 booty rolls. You're gonna booty roll right, squat, lift. Booty 2 times, and then we drop it low. Good, give me one more here. Hold your squat low. Hand to your heart, hand to your belly. Little pulses down. Good, pulse. Pulse, proud chest, core tight, weight is in our heels. Woo! All right, y'all. I'm gonna take you into a set of new movements right here, right now. Starting with your elbows up. We're gonna lift and twist. We're gonna step and flick. We're gonna lift and twist. We swipe, flick, swipe, flick. Stay here for a little longer. Get that moving in your bodies. Check it out. Keep it going. That's it. Lift, lift, flick, flick. Okay, last time here. New set of moves. We're gonna reach the arms. Up, up, pull the elbow, heel comes high. Up, down, up, elbow, elbow. Find your levels. So you go to your highest point and your lowest point. Keep it going. 4 more times. 3. That's it. 2. I'm with you. Last one. New move. We're gonna kick the booty 4 times. Take a squat. 4 kicks. Yep. Elevating our heart rate. Kick it out. Drop it low. Okay, we're gonna keep it going. You have an option to add some arms. Squeeze to the center. That's it. Give me 2 more. We're gonna head back into that lift and twist. Right here, right now. Take it up to the right. There it is. Flick, flick. Flick it out. Woo! 4 more sets. Keep it going, y'all. 3. Feeling good? 2. Back to that point. Right overhead. Last one. Here we go. Up. Heel pull. It's up. And pull. Yes. Woo! Good. You got 4 more. Keep it going. You getting those levels? Stick your booty out. Last 2. Woo! Last one. We go back to those booty kicks. Let's go. Take it low. Yes. Come on. Keep it going, y'all. You are at that finish line. Option to add those reaches. Take it up. Drop. Let's go. 2 more. Last one. Let's go into those booty rolls. 2 rolls. Take it low. 2 booty rolls. Y'all, how we doing? We're almost there. Woo! Give me 4 more sets. 3. Last 2. Last one. I want you to hold it at the bottom. Freeze, pulse. Bring one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly, proud chest, core is tight, sink lower. We got 4, we have 3, we have 2, and 1. Good, step touch, right. All right, y'all, we did it. Reach up, push down, reach up, push down. 2 more sets. Just find your breath. Last set. Bring those feet together. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Bring the hands together. Hands come center. Give yourself a round of applause, you guys. I hope you had fun today. I hope you got that heart rate up. If you did, let me know in those comments below. We'll see you back next time.